The Pataflafla. Or what we should call it is the Patafla. Pataflafla is a flam, 2 taps, and then another flam, and then you repeat that. That's why fla, patafla, right? But Pataflafla, that's what we call it. The Pataflafla, as I said, flam, tap, tap, flam, and repeat that. So we have 2 flams in a row. Fla pata, fla fla pata, fla fla pata, fla fla. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. I can't tell you enough. Keep those grace notes down. Let's practice it nice and slow off the right hand. The Pataflafla. Pro tip for a Pataflafla is to aim for the last flam. That is, anytime you have multiple flams or even multiple accents, it's normal to aim for the last note of a phrase. So in other words, what I want to do is take a little something something off of that first flam, so I aim for the second flam. So the second accent's going to be a little louder. That happens naturally in the Pataflafla because the first flam is a bounce stroke and the second flam is a control stroke. So when I play them fast, see, I'm aiming for that second flam. The Pataflafla.